1861, the morning the war began. 1861, the letter no one wanted to read. 1863, two brothers, neither made it back alive. 1865, peace was signed, but eyes stayed hollow, the ink dry. 1864, that night the enemy had a human face. For once silence was their truce. 1864, in the tent the dead were just numbers, but one had a name, Samuel. 1865, a soldier came home but didn't knock because that house was no longer his. 1866, freedom arrived, but peace was still on its way. The first smiles remembered fear. 1900, an old photo surfaced. 1866, even the wind was silent in the graveyard. Each stone held more than just a name.